Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to use Trello. And by the way, it is just pronounced Trello, and of course this is just a web application of organizing your task, you organizing your time and your work. So basically I'm going to show you now how to use it, and basically we need just to go to your Trello website and then just go to your contact. You will need to connect with your account or your Trello account, and if you don't already have one, just connect with your Google, Facebook, or Apple accounts. And after that, you will need just to follow these simple steps. And the first one is to go to your boards, and here you will find your boards. And if you don't already just have one, you will need just to create a new board, and there is where you can organize your work and your list. So basically, you give it a board title. So let's just have it homework as school or something, homework. And of course, we want it here in this workspace because this is the name of workspace, because you can have multiple workspaces. And basically, let's go back again. uh we said that we are going to name it homework and workspace, and then we create. And basically, after you create your board, you will have your list. And basically your list here where you can add, for example, notes, you can add like your tasks, etc. So basically cards are just some information item to help you organize your work. And basically, let's just, for example, work one. I will name it work one, and I'm going to add to list. Or and this is the work two, etc. And we are going to add lists like that. And after you add your lists, you can give them any title that you want, and then you will be adding your cards. So let's say for the work one, or it can be, for example, mathematics, it can be physics, etc. And then just add exercise one or a project one, for example. Maybe why not project one. And then with each card, we can have multiple things to add to each card to give it some significance, or to make it more visible, and gives you more informations, and to organize your work. And basically, let's give it a description, uh, a homework or project of something, project about anything, and then we can give it, for example, a deadline. So this is the significance of this date. We give it a date of deadline, for example. So I'll give it, for example, just a random date. And of course, I'm going to label it. I'm going just to create some labels. I'm going to have this label done. I'm going to save, and the yellow will be, for example, in progress. In progress. And of course, I'm going to save this one and give the red one like that, undone, or failed, or anything. You can give the significance to each label that you want. And of course, you can attribute to your card any label that you want. Maybe you click on edit labels, and if the work is done. And of course, you can have more other items to do here in these projects. For example, it can need a checklist, for example, steps or process or steps, for example. And step one, this is the first item, two, three, four, five, and those are the steps to finish your project. And of course, you can give your project some colors if you want. Give it a cover so it can be significant to you, or to recognize it, and will be more organized work and more clear. And of course, each time, for example, you ended a task, you can just check them like that until you check everything, for example, like that, and you will have your work done. And by finishing your work, if you want like to get rid of this card, you can have, for example, archive it, so it will go here in this menu, go more and archived items as something that has finished. And also you can go back to this work and see the details that you did to this card, and of course you can save that again to the board, etc. So basically with Trello you can do multiple things that will help you organize your work, and of course you can have multiple members in this homework by I mean this board, by sharing your work to other people and give them either the member permission or observer permission. So basically that was an overview to how to use Trello. Thank you for watching and see you next time.